It's Stu again, back with you with a video on our new tank monitoring system. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is by Mopika Products. We're going to unbox and install this today. It's kind of nasty cold and icy out, but we're going to get it done today while we got a little sunshine, because it's going to be even worse the rest of the week. So let's get this unpackaged. Open her up. We've got two tank sensors. They're magnetic. They got magnets on the back. Got number 1 and 2. We've got some little rubber brackets that go on the bottom of the LP tanks on your camper, so that it will give it some space so you don't mash the sensors. We have some instructions. We have to go to the App Store on the phone and look up LPG Tank Check from Mopika Products. So we get on there.
So on there.
And we'll download. Click twice.
Huh?
It's already there. That's what it looks like on your phone. Mopika Products. We'll open Mopika. And then tank number 1, and it says click 5 times to sync it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the first monitor is up and reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second monitor is up and reading. That's fast. Good Wi-Fi. Alright, and it's showing that our tanks are empty, so they're reading already. That's what it looks like on your phone. And then we'll go out and install these on the bottom of the tanks. I'll show you how to do that. Yeah. When we go out, move to Arizona, we won't have to worry about all this stuff. What you doing? Are you coming to help?
Yeah.
Breaking off all the icicles? Alright, we have a bungee cord underneath of ours to hold it in place. We're going to uncover these tanks. Maybe. Gonna have to undo that first.
I do that.
Yeah.
I do that. I did it.
You did it? Alright. Reach back here and pull the pin. Lay it right here on top. These are really handy. This will adjust to any mid-sized bolt head with the squeeze. Dad got me those for Christmas about 2 or 3 years ago. It's called the Bionic Wrench. Pull this out. We have our bicycle rack right over top. This is how it mounts. Okay, we'll put those right there. Give this a shake. pull it up off of there. Watch out, sweetie. Are you okay? Pull the covers off the tanks. Make sure the tanks are turned off for the moment. To get to the bottom, we're gonna have to take them loose. Our tanks do set flush, so we're gonna need to put the little spacers that comes with the package. We're gonna have to put the spacers in. He's having a good time over there. There's 3 spacers per. You did it. There's 3 spacers per tank. Okay, and then we're going to put monitor number 1 on the driver's side. And it says to put, this is the sensor, these are the it'll be offset just a little bit because that magnet, these are the sensors and this is the magnet. You want it to go right into the center, this part right into the center of the tank. And then we're going to stand it back up and put it back into the holder. Get these 3. So that's a little froze. So that plastic bubble wrap on the bottom of the tanks. Well, they're brand new. We'll turn this so I don't get too much pressure on the hose. Rubber foot. On there, like that. Sensor number 2 for tank 2. Put right in the middle of the tank, right there. Tighten back up, make sure these are in the grooves. You gotta shake them around a little bit so everything's tight. Keep shaking and twisting until they don't shake and twist anymore. You don't want any movement on these if you can keep from it. That's as tight as we can get her. And before I put the cover back on, I'll open them back up. And before we leave, I always tighten these down. I don't ever travel with these tanks open. Some people say it's no big deal. I should have a Mopica. There we go. I'm going to give it a minute for the tanks to start reading. This one is already reading at 41%. This one says it's empty. We'll give it a little longer to update.
Hey,
So,
I want some here. Yeah, some.
easy. You okay?
Yep.
Okay. Which that one may be close to being empty. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So we'll go ahead and cover them up. And we'll get in there and make sure that we're set up right. Slide the cover back over. There we go. It's got to be all the way down. Bungee cord needs to go back underneath. And then we'll put our bicycle rack back on. How you doing, bud? You getting cold yet? Yup. Getting all them icicles off my truck? You're a pretty good boy. Get that good and tight. Put our lock pin in. And we're good to go. Phew. Love those slam latches. There's no doubt they're closed. Easy, you're gonna fall. You ready to go in? Pick up my trash? Come on, your little nose is getting red. Let's go warm up. Yep. Yep, your nose is getting red. You gonna hold my hand?
Yep.
Oh, here, hold my hand.
Oh, my God! No way! Oh.
Woo, slow down, you go. Hey, we're back inside the camper here. And I was going to get on my phone and pull up the apps. Tank number 1 is at 91% and tank number 2 is at 20%. So we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.